Hi MMM, my name is Steve Christopher Aguirre and I'm from Pampanga and from Philippines. A month ago, I provided help 100,000 and in doing extra online and offline tasks, I was able to get 20 plus percent for doing both and additional 20% for the fixed extra growth of money. And last October 17, I was able to get help with the amount of 141,200. This is a big help for my finances and achieving the goal of financial freedom. Thank you, MMM, for promoting this community and introducing it in the Philippines. It's a big help to everyone, and I hope that MMM community can continue to grow. More power to Sergi and the founders of MMM. Thank you.